Hi friends, today we are making chicken biryani first. We add marinated chicken in oil and fry. The ingredients we add in marinated chicken is red chili powder, black pepper, turmeric powder, coriander powder, hot spices, and some gram flour. When the chicken half cooked, then put it out of the pan. Now we will boil the rice, add some black cardamom, anise, and cinnamon sticks in the boiled water. Now add rice in the boiled water and cover it. Now prepare gravy. The ingredients we need in gravy are dry plums and tamarind lime juice, yoghurt, red chili powder, black pepper, turmeric powder, coriander powder, hot spices, salt, green chutney, and curry leaves. Now put the fried chicken on the flame and add the ingredients one by one. When all spices and chicken cooked well, add boiled rice in it. Now add potatoes in the pan and fry it. And add some food color in potatoes. Put the potatoes in biryani and add coal in it. And cover it for 5 minutes. Mix the rice well and your biryani is ready to serve. Enjoy it with your family and remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching.